You just look at your GoPro and just don't even.
Good afternoon, plumbers. Go ahead, it's your floor is yours.
No, this is all yeah.
As you know, we do everyday plumbing, the good, the bad, and the ugly, all while training this guy and his brother, the trade. For today's plumbing adventure, we're going to turn on the house. We're going to let the Apprentice, AB, fire up the heater and furnace for some hot air and for some hot water. Today is pilot lighting lessons. Stay tuned and we'll see you inside. Turn down a little cheap aluminum. A Husky. Sorry guys, I got a Husky pipe wrench. It's from Salmaster. The best helper I ever had. He knew my next 5 moves. So the first thing you do before you light the furnace and the water heater is what? The first thing you gotta do to light a furnace and a water heater on a new turn on is what? Turn on the gas. And here it comes, Daddy. Boom. Both of these are off. For safety purposes. Now the gas is on. The close-ups are key. And that's it. Now we can light the furnace and the water heater. Alright, what you want to do, first of all instructions are on the water heater if you ever get stuck and you forget. Okay? But we're going to cut right to the chase. Pop off that door down below.
Okay.
Right? Now, the gas is on now, correct?
Yeah.
So you want to put this to pilot. You see this? It's on, off, and pilot. And here's the arrow. So you want to turn it to pilot and hold it down. Hold it down. I will hold down your left hand because you're going to look in this hole right here. And you're going to push it down and push this sparker. And that's going to light your pilot. This is Plumbing 101, how to light a pilot. This is all you, dog. Get comfortable. While you're holding that, hit that red button and look in there and see where the spark is. Can you see it?
No.
Do it again.
Yeah.
Alright, that's where you got to look for the flame. Let it run a minute. Can you hear the gas running? Because you might have some air because this is the first time the gas has been on now for the season. If I recall, I had this problem last year. So just hold that button down. Go ahead, try it now. Go light the pilots on everything. And in this house is electric stove, so you don't have to light the electric stove. It's not gas. All right, try it again. Anything? No. But listen, once you get that lit,
Hold it right down.
hold it down. Keep holding it down.
It's like our heater.
Same exact thing. They're all the same. It's a safety device. Go ahead, dog. I feel it coming.
Negative.
Keep holding it. Nothing?
Just flip it over.
You get any kind of blue flame at all?
Yeah.
Oh, you are?
Well, it's just not.
It's just not staying on?
Yeah.
Alright, keep going.
I've seen a spark now. Not good and bad.
Did you see some flame light and go out? Like
yeah,
air?
I just saw a spark.
You see it?
I'm not seeing a flame no more.
Alright, keep holding it. First of all, you're not pushing down. Push, let go.
Oh, I like that.
Yeah, you let go. Simple to do. Softness surrounds us. You should be out light now. Nothing? You holding down? Alright, keep holding.
Smell gas.
You smell gas? Go ahead, light it. You only need one spark.
Flames is flipping.
Alright, still got air in there. Keep holding that down. Say it won't be a plumber. Say it won't be a plumber?
Yeah. Rather be in a crawl space right now.
Yeah, we'll get it lit. Let's go. 3, 2, 1, try it. Bang. Nothing?
Just flames flicking over.
The flame? You're getting some flame. Alright, that's good. Let it bleed, you're getting a lot of air. Stay on? Once you get it to stay on, hold that button because you need to hold that for a minute.
Do I need to hold the black one still?
Yes.
Okay.
You have to let that flame hit that sensor for a minute. Sends a signal back to the gas valve. Hey, I got gas. You can go ahead and open up the main gas valve. It's called a thermocouple. Once we get these lit, we're gone. We're done. Nothing? Alright, come on up. I'm gonna do something for you. It's not this time. I'm gonna bleed this for him. Pop this union right here. No, I need him to tighten this up. There we go. It's gas. It's real gas, baby. Come on, give me a pair of pliers. I need a pair. In the bathroom? Flame on?
No.
Keep going.
Got it.
Alright, now hold up. We always get this shot for the people. Go ahead, leave it on. Let go of the black button. Did it stay on?
Yeah.
Turn it to on. You want to turn that counterclockwise. Counterclockwise. Did we get this shot?
Yeah.
Turn it, make sure it's all the way over. There you go. Awesome job.
Do the wires go?
You'll see how it's designed. We're going to leave it on vacation because we don't know if he's coming down or not, alright? But it definitely fired up and we're in business. You want to hook your left hand side first, then snap it in there. Now, people want a little bit of heat up in here. So, we're going to get the furnace lit. Same process. You want to do it or you want me to do it?
You know.
Again, put the pilot, hold it down. Try to get the best shots here. Bleed it out. Oh, there's a spider. You gotta get out of there, spider. Don't go that direction. Hey, spider, come this way. Come on. You're gonna get blown up. There it comes. Same thing, Andrew, you just gotta keep waiting. No, that's the thermocouple. The flame comes out at, if you lift that light up, you'll be able to look right down. Lift that light behind my head and look down this way. You'll be able to see it. Lift the light over my head and look down here. Where my finger, see my finger up here pointing? There you go. There, I just got it lit. Now you still got to hold it on here for a minute. Make sure she takes. But the thermocouple, it's just a safety device to say, hey, we got a pilot, go ahead and turn the main burners on. Boom. Pilot stayed on. We turn it to on. Go turn the thermostat up. We're going to get the shot of all shots. Wrong hallway. By the bathroom. The hall bathroom. I should have the doors on, but we want to get the shot of all shots right here. Yep, go ahead. Turn all the way up. Huh. Yeah. Made the powers off. Hold on. That's on. Why are we going on now? Bum, 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 bum. Come on now. Let me turn the breaker on. Hold on. Oh. Hot air furnace, safety device. There's a door here. I forgot. You gotta have this on because it won't light with it off the door. Where else is the switch at? Come on now. Come on, talk to Daddy right here. I don't see no door switch. Alright, let me put this thing on here. Right here. Look.
Oh wow.
They have, yeah, it's a safety device. They have it duct taped. But look, as soon as you push it in, bang. Alright. You see what kind of house this is. It's a little summer house, party house. And that is it.
Keep it off?
Nah, we're gonna turn it down as soon as I'm done this. Alright, Ange? But these heaters are rare.
Yeah, I was gonna say.
Everything is so electronic now. And there goes another satisfied customer. See you at the next one.